say, our lesson for today is all about intercepts and zeros of rational functions. In this video, students will be able to, number 1, define intercepts and zeros. Number 2, find the intercept and zeros of rational function. And lastly, appreciate the importance of intercepts in real-life situations. So what is intercepts and zeros of rational functions? An intercepts of rational function is a point where the graph of the rational function intersects the x or y axis. While the zeros are also known as x-intercepts, meaning x-intercept is the same as zeros, solutions or roots of functions. The zeros of a functions are the values of x which make the function 0. The real number 0 are also x-intercepts of the graph of the function. Example number 1. Determine the intercepts and zeros of the rational function of f of x is equal to x plus 4 over x minus 5. First, identify the x-intercepts. Let y is equal to 0. And also, your f of x will become 2y. So, meaning, y is equal to x plus 4 over x minus 5. And then after that, equate your numerator to 0. So, x plus 4 is equal to 0. So, x is equal to, from positive will change into negative 4. So, meaning, the x-intercepts is negative 4 and 0. How about y-intercepts? In y-intercepts, let x is equal to 0. Again, your f of x will become 2y. So, y is equal to x plus 4 over x minus 5. Substitute the value of your x to your given equation. So, 0 plus 4 over 0 minus 5. So, y is equal to negative 4 over 5. So, meaning, the y-intercepts is 0 and negative 4 over 5. How about zeros? Remember, zeros is also x-intercept. So, meaning, zeros is negative 4 and 0. Example number 2. Determine the intercepts and zeros of the rational function of f of x is equal to x squared minus 4 over x squared minus 16. So again, find the x-intercepts. Let y is equal to 0. So your f of x will become 2y. So y is equal to x squared minus 4 over x squared minus 16. And equate your numerator to 0. That's why x squared minus 4 is equal to 0. So x squared is equal to, from negative 4 will become positive 4. Then, get the square root. So x is equal to, the square root of 4 is 2. Positive or negative 2. So meaning, x-intercepts are 2, 0, and negative 2, 0. So how about y-intercepts? Let x is equal to 0, which is f of x will become 2y. y is equal to x squared minus 4 over x squared minus 16. So y is equal to, substitute your 0 to the x. So 0 squared minus 4 over 0 squared minus 16. So it will become negative 4 over negative 16. Simplify. So the answer is positive 1/4. So meaning y intercepts is 0 and 1/4. How about zeros? Zeros is also 2, 0, and negative 2, 0. That will be the x-intercepts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share and comment and subscribe to Teacher Ren TV. Thank you.